The cool kids do. This is what the cool kids do. I feel like fabulous.
They gon' love me for my ambition. Beautiful music, painting pictures, this be my vision.
Oh man, what the fuck is going on? Everybody out there, thank you guys for joining me again. Sound Sneakers, another reaction, review, unboxing to another pair of shoes. This time around we have the Supreme collaboration that they did with the NBA and Nike. The Air Force high top. No, I think it's mid actually. Black colorway. It's like the old school Reeboks that they had with all the patches. Here's a photo right now of the Reeboks. Jacket, pants, a lot of stuff that came out with this. Jersey available, size medium, coming soon, white. I'm gonna leave a link down below. Complex Ambition, Instagram, complexambition.supply. We're gonna get into the shoe. Already sold, size 11. Here we have it. We're gonna check it out. And what more can I say, man? High hopes, low hopes. Let's see how it looks in person. Woo! And for starters, here we have it, man. The box right here, similar to the box when I had the Air Max 98s Supreme box. The Supreme collaboration. The box was just Nike, black Nike, and Supreme on the sides. Both sides. Here in regular front, you know what I'm saying? Size 11, like I said earlier. Let's get right into the unboxing, man. As you guys can see right off rip, you know what I'm saying? The paper is special. Supreme Nike special paper. And let's take a little peek. Ooh. Wow, here we have them, man. Here we have them. Give you another angle. Woo! Da-da-da-da! This is one pair right here, one side of them, because these have all the NBA teams on them overall on both shoes. So you have to get both shoes in hand to really get the actual feel. So here we have the Celtics, Knicks, Supreme logo, Chicago Bulls, Orlando Magic. You know what I'm saying? On this shoe. One more, we have 76ers, Philadelphia, Brooklyn Nets, Detroit Pistons, Indiana Pacers, the Magic. You know what I'm saying? Nothing on the bottom, just plain black on the bottom. And then right here we have the Supreme. They did these, I believe, on the high top that they had. Supreme high tops, all red, all black, blah blah. This strap like this. You know what I'm saying? Supreme tag right there on the tongue. Pretty crazy, man. But Supreme tag. And if you get close enough, the little lace lock, you can see how it looks. Lock as well, 2018 Air Force One AF1. And here we have the other shoe right here with the Lakers right there. You know what I'm saying? The Mavericks, Dallas Mavericks, forgot about them motherfuckers. Spurs, Houston Rockets, Portland Trail Blazers. Actually says Portland on that one, big logo. Thunder, Phoenix Suns, you know what I'm saying? Showing love to everybody. Golden State Warriors right there in the back. I wonder how they made this selection process. Like, how did they know which team goes where? The box logo. Supreme Classic box logo right here. On this one, you see it here. But on this pair, this side, we see it over here. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below. Let me know how you guys feel. Let's have a conversation about these shoes, because these shoes, man, I saw a lot of love. I saw a lot of hate. But nonetheless, the style is very classic. J.R. Smith was modeling for them, so they kept it pretty authentic with the NBA advertisement of this. Pretty smart move, I guess, on the NBA's part, as far as like with the culture right now to collaborate and kind of get some sort of hype going with the apparel. It's pretty nice, man. Would I wear these? Probably not. But yeah, man. Comment down below as far as would you rock, stock, or would you sell these? Personally, selling these, I already sold them online. $340, I believe. The price might be dropping on the resale, but they're definitely up for grabs. You guys can get them pretty affordable when it comes to the Supreme shoe. They were $165 retail. Came out some more after shipping. You guys can get them for about $90 above retail, so it's not that bad. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, hit the link in the description if you guys want to purchase these. Again, Complex Ambition Supply is the Instagram. But also hit the notification button for more videos and reactions. And here, right there in the top corner, is more videos that you guys can watch similar to this one, where I'm reacting to these motherfucking shoes. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, guys, remember that these are just clothing, material things, so let's not go too crazy about them. You know what I'm saying? I remember there was a time in the day years ago when I would go crazy when it comes to shoes. Wow, standing in line, or just thought about it. I was too young, but I was like, damn, I'll do anything for shoes. But now, being on the other side of it, when you become a supplier for these things, you realize how easy you can get them if you just apply a lot of attention to raffles, entries, on top of your game with the timing of the releases online. But you also realize that these things are really just materialistic things, you know what I'm saying? This shit doesn't mean much, you know what I'm saying? Especially if a shoe, the price drops on something. If you put it just purely monetary value on things, you really realize that shit doesn't mean nothing. It's just a commodity. It's not even a commodity. It's just like it's something that fluctuates. If something fluctuates so easy, it's not real. Compare it to love and your beliefs and your motivations, and it really doesn't compare at all. Those things have no value. They're priceless. They don't fluctuate in value, you know what I'm saying? They're priceless, endless. But these things, you know what I'm saying, the value changes all the time, so let's keep that in mind. But thank you guys for watching this, and subscribe. Please subscribe. We have a lot of music reactions that we do on a weekly basis, so keep in tune for those. But you guys already know, follow me on my Instagram, @It'sAVibe. Until next time. Sound!
Pump it up. Just bump it up.